Hi, welcome to Just a Minute with Dr. John. Luke 15:20 shows a loving, compassionate father whose heart is yearning to reconcile with his son. We read, "But when he was still a great way off, his father saw him and had compassion and ran and fell on his neck and kissed him." In Deuteronomy 21:18-21, we see that the parents should bring the rebellious son in front of the city and all men should stone him to death. But here we find the father willing to restore and reconcile with the rebellious son. This father is symbolic of our Heavenly Father. What a privilege to be called the sons and daughters of such a great father. A father who is willing to restore the loving relationship even if we have turned away. In our lives, let's examine in which stage we are with our Heavenly Father. Are we running away in a stage of rebellion due to some missed blessings, or are we in a stage of returning back? Are we willing to see a compassionate Father who is ever willing to restore if we start drawing near to Him once again? Having experienced the restoration, let's rejoice in the presence of this merciful, compassionate, gracious, loving Heavenly Father. Have a blessed day.